And so we're walking to our cabana. This is where we're gonna swim. The background is our boat, and that is our cabana, number 19. Finally found it after a few minutes of walking. It's so shallow here. Wait, I'm gonna take photo first. Daddy Lo, go. Kamu upat. Franco. Lami as dagat, oy. Okay. Dili man maligo si Mami. Okay, kasaban siyang Chichi. Franco, come on. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1. Okay, done. Mana video? We can put water. Ayaw lang kay init. The water is cold. You like the water?
Yeah, it's warm. Oh, it's not
I mean
cold,
cold. It's like nice kuan ba?
nice cold.
Yeah.
Get out back. Ayaw tunga.
We're in Ocean Key. That's our ship.
Sa musudla na tubig.
Franco,
Ani lapas na ipagawas na.
dili sa ilalim na siya. Pangginhawa ra gyud na niya.
Kana o ginawa na na.
Tanaon na kay makitang tubig be. I mean, parata silang tubig oh.
Kana ginawa na.
Wala lang.
Kana day para ginawa. Ang kaya ilalom, tusod na nagtubig imong ilo. Baba. Ginawa jud ka?
Underwater? Daddy, oh, lingaw kayo. Sakay-sakay kayo na, floating.
Come on.
More good, mawalang ubo ba? Di ako na, bebe. Kaya. How are you gonna do it?
Huh? Just
Uncle, can I borrow your goggles? Temperature.
Oh my God.
baby na. Go dive.
What was the point of that? Tudlan. It doesn't matter, just go.
Ginawa ra no?
Tudlan.
Duga di masudlan.
Tudlan.
Dili.
Ginawa rin ka?
Ginawa ko ba?
Baba.
Baba.
I just put it
Dili masulan og tubig.
Ginawa rin ka? Ayaw na. Pero itiglom ni mo ng babaw Tudlan.
This way.
Tudlan o itiglom ng ibabaw ta.
Itiglom. Itiglom.
Itiglom?
Pwede pa ka mo nga.
Pero itiglom ni mo, kadang yang lingin si babaw.
Tisting di ba?
Wala man.
Wala ra?
Wala yun eh.
Ano ha?
Pero gagmay isda naman, wala man i-race diri mo ato
Bebe.
ka sa snorkel area.
Ano ba?
Pasulay isda de. Wala yun eh. Pero small fishes right mo makita dere. Can I float a little bit?
Are you doing snorkeling or something? I thought I would never see.
Huh?
Are you doing snorkeling or something? I never thought I would see.
Well, let me video Daddy Lo first. Where's Daddy Lo? Daddy Lo snorkeling. Get the floating mat koy. Kaginawa ramang ka de.
Hey, where'd the other slipper go?
Oh, I don't know. Di asay mo usa ka chinilas.
Oh, it's on him.
Ganahan Daddy oh. Ganahan Daddy.
Huh?
Kaginawa ka no? No?
It works.
See? See, ginawa ka.
Ginawa, okay kayo.
Na, okay kayo.
Good kayo.
Ato ni ko mamana ko bayangan.
Mamana.
Sa bayangan.
Biya meron sabi ka mo sakay kong floating
ni ang lingin.
Ha?
Ikiglom na.
Di na amot lang ha.
Dili ka, ginawag yapon ka.
Okay, naman
Kaya
sa
man kain ni.
Yeah, may pa.
Pwede sa akin mag-float ko.
Oo,
It works.
Nindot sa isda.
There. Ay na pala lumang, re-review ko maka-rescue ni mo pala lumang. No, I could swim but not strong.
Dili makaswim.
Lalong na ba dahil?
Lalong na kayo. Lalong na. Lalong na. Oh.
I think it's lunchtime. It's
Ay, pag-order na ito. Pag-order na ba?
15 minutes more.
15 minutes more?
11:18.
Mo ba? Dahil, dugaya po eh.
Lingaw na ka isla, no?
Ah. Tiglob da. No fish, koy?
There's only small ones. Ginawa ka, ginawa na ko ilaw.
Oh. Ya, mga lami ni siya.
Oh. Wa mo dugan pamana.
Pila na siya?
Kuan, $40. Oh, gusto, nindo tayo pamana de.
Pamana.
Oh.
Pamana na, pangita
Oh.
fishing man.
Our boat is there.
Ipay ka fishing.
We're in Ocean Key. Enjoying. We rented a cabana with free floating mat. They don't want to kayak or something. They just want to swim. So here we are, Ocean Key. There's a lot of activities here. But we just want the beach. Beach day. Beach day. Bisan pag munganga ka. Oh. Oh. Kay ginhawa man ka. Oh. Nalingaw si Daddy o floating rag iya. Beach break. Time to eat lunch. Lingaw Daddy snorkel. Kaligo si Adi lagi. Ano man to tong barko? Ito ara tong barko. This is only one area. There's a lot more. We're just here because we're here in our cabana. Muna among cabana de.
Tako kabala.
Tak. Ha? 19.
There's a shark.
Ha?
There's a baby shark.
Naay shark?
There's shark.
Wala gipaak. Oh. Mo ba? Okay, let's eat our lunch.
A small one.
If
Ako now, ako ang turong ko, patyo ako.
this is your water, Franco. Ay, wala naman din sa lod. Wow. Mo ba?
Yeah. But the guy said, I don't know.
Take pictures?
No, I don't have to. I have to come.
The guy was lying.
No? There's a bunch.
Really?
Hot dogs.
Okay, time to eat hot dogs. There's pasta. There's burger.
Oh, that's it.
Anywhere. It doesn't matter. Can you give me one burger, Troy? That one? Okay, let's eat.
There is one.
Huh? Really?
It's a nurse shark. It's fine.
Burger, kadali low.
Cheese.
Ah, baka mas na.
Sayaw the baby shark, diba? Nay water.
Malay, bisa na. Naintindihan na.
Oh.
Gugutom ang mga kuam, swimmer. Dito dapat sa tunga ang shark. Oh, wow.
Malagi.
Ah, kaya may bridge dire gikan sa dagat. Yeah, naa. Basi naguba nila. It's good though. The burger is good.
Mga swimmer nga taga dire.
Is it pasta good?
Where's my salt? I'm gonna see if it's kind of bland.
Lami inang burger. It's not greasy. Yeah, you can just go there and ask. They don't need the card.
You water. Anong kabana ro ano? Ano? You see water? We need water.
Kato sila kung ipon may nakatuan sa kwan. Rainis.
Swimming a little bit more before heading back to the boat. I think these guys were swimming for like 5 hours already. Another area where you can swim. Walay balod. We're heading now back to the boat.
Katulad bang gapit iho diha.
Nana na tali diri, tago tago.
Ito sa akong kiloy.
Pangkapoy na. This is where we swam earlier. Kapoy na. Balik na sa barko. Going back to the boat. Oh, the ride is here. Our ride is here. We wait here in the pavilion. Going back to the boat because we're tired to swim. They not mga tong ride. Our ride is here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Back to the ship. We've been swimming for 5 hours, I think. So it's time to go back. They don't want to, but I want to go. So he went with me. Card. Di ba dito man tao? See you later on our next vlog. Thanks for watching.